and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my advice on how to start a YouTube channel in 2020. Along with my advice, I'm going to be sharing with you my tips and tricks and things that I have used to grow my channel in the past few months, and just different tips that I wanted to know maybe when I started my channel, and yeah, just basically some little tips and tricks that have helped me along the way. And hopefully they can help you along the way if you're thinking of making a YouTube channel, or if you literally recently have whilst we're in quarantine. So yeah, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's just get on into the video. I've been on YouTube for 2 years now, and recently I've just hit 1,000 subscribers. I think it was just over 2 or 3 weeks ago now, which I'm so happy about. Couldn't be any more grateful. If you'd watched my video before, I think it was 2 videos ago, I think it was my cherries haul, I mentioned in there that I was going to do a giveaway, and I am basically doing a giveaway at the end of this video. But anyways, back on to this. So when you first start a YouTube channel, you really don't need any fancy camera equipment, lighting, backdrops or anything like that. You literally just need your phone, the window. Like, I'm filming with natural lighting today. It's not the best today because it is very rainy outside, but it's better than nothing. When I first started my YouTube channel, I had my money saved up to buy myself a camera. So I did buy myself a camera before I started, but you really don't need to do that. You can use your phones. Like, iPhones now have got that good of a camera that sometimes they're even better cameras than cameras you can buy. Definitely just use your phone if you cannot afford, like, you don't need to have fancy equipment to start a YouTube channel. With YouTube as a whole, you definitely need to stay true to yourself. Don't come on YouTube and try and be someone you're not. You definitely need to sit there on your video or vlog or whatever you're doing and just be yourself. Don't pretend to be someone else. Like, if you're pretending to be a YouTuber that you love watching, like, yes, get inspiration, but just be yourself on camera. Make sure you know what you're starting YouTube for. Start it for the right reasons. I started my YouTube channel because it's my hobby. I love filming, I love editing, and I just love capturing my life on camera and uploading it. And then I can watch my videos back as well, and just having them as memories. That's what I love about YouTube. So you need to make sure that you're passionate about it, and you're passionate about your videos, and that you're passionate about what you're wanting to share on your channel. So just stay true to yourself. That is one of my big tips. So going on to filming videos, make sure you're filming videos you love to film. Don't film videos just for the sake of it, just because maybe they get good views or whatever else. Make sure you're filming videos that you enjoy. So if that be fashion videos, hauls, vlogs, beauty videos, makeup videos, anything like that, make sure you find what you like, your interests and your hobbies. When you first start a YouTube channel, obviously it's going to take you a while to build yourself up. It took me ages to build myself up, but one of those reasons is because I didn't share my YouTube channel to anyone I knew. I kept it a secret, so I was on YouTube for a good 8-9 months before I even mentioned it on any of my other social medias. I was just so scared, but you don't need to be scared. If you want to do it, do it. The only person stopping you from doing it is you. I cannot explain like how much better I feel now or then when I actually announced to my social medias and my friends and whoever else that I'd got a YouTube channel. There's nothing worse than keeping it secret. Like, that was probably one of the worst things I did, but it doesn't matter. I did it and I learned from it. But definitely don't be afraid. I know it's easier said than done, but you're going to be starting a YouTube channel because you want to start it. So the only person stopping you from doing that is you. If you're worried about what people think or worried what people are going to say, like, doesn't matter. Don't worry about what anyone else is going to think. You need to do it for you, and if it's something you love, then just do it. Do what you want to do, and no one is stopping you. Don't care what people think, because they're going to think it anyway. For one, everyone has an opinion, and to be honest, their opinions don't matter. So the only person who matters is you, and you need to be happy. So do what makes you happy. Moving on to things like editing and everything like that, I'd just say do your research. Like when I first started my YouTube channel, all I used to do is search on YouTube like how to edit, basic things you need to know on iMovie, how to create a thumbnail, how to create a YouTube banner. I learned all of my things from YouTube. I searched in the YouTube search bar whatever I needed to know and it came up. I watched so many of these types of videos when I first wanted to start my YouTube channel and they help so much. So get advice from other people and you're good to go. But yeah, so definitely do your research. That also comes in with like the monetization of YouTube. So when you're first starting a YouTube channel as well, you want to get it out there, you want to share it. Sharing your YouTube channel on all of your other social media platforms is a massive help. So if you've got Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, any of those, I'd definitely say share it on there. Then you'll get your traffic coming in from those different social media groups. Other people will hopefully share your videos for you, like your friends, your family. Definitely share on other social media platforms. That helped me a lot. And when you filmed a video, share it on your Instagram. Share it on your Instagram story. Tell your followers that there's a new video that's just gone up. That helps a lot as well. I do that every time I upload. I make sure I upload a little screenshot of the thumbnail and just say, look, I've got a new video, links in my bio if you want to watch. Definitely do that. That is a really, really good tip. Also with Instagram as well, there's so many groups of lovely people that start like small YouTuber support groups and they are such a lovely place to be in. You make new friends, you can share your videos on there. They also share their videos and you can watch them if you want to watch them. And obviously just help support each other, help each other grow, subscribe to one another. If they have any questions or if you have any questions, you can ask them. And you're in the same situation, you're trying to grow your channel, you're trying to get out there and you're trying to get your YouTube channel seen. So you're all in the same boat and it's so lovely to talk to the girls. I'm in a few YouTube support groups and they're so lovely to be in. You make so many friends and yeah, it's a lovely place to be. Going on to monetization, I am so grateful. I am now monetized on YouTube, which I'm so over the moon about. I couldn't be any happier if I'm honest. When you hit 1,000 subscribers, it doesn't always necessarily mean that you are going to get monetized straight away. I was lucky and I'd done it back to front. I'd hit my 4,000 watch hours way before I'd hit my 1,000 subscriber mark. Like I said earlier, I hit my 1,000 subscriber mark about 2 or 3 weeks ago now and I'd already hit my 4,000 watch hours. So they are the two requirements that you need to get monetized on YouTube. Once you've met those two requirements, then obviously you can apply for monetization, which is what I did. And then you have to wait about 2 weeks, I think. Actually, it was just under 2 weeks. I think it was about 10 days that I had to wait to be accepted into the YouTube partner program. And then from there you can then put ads on your videos. Your videos can start earning money for yourself. But as soon as you hit those two requirements, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be earning thousands off YouTube and you can quit your job and you can just make YouTube your job. That isn't how it works. When you first get monetized, you're going to be earning like a couple of pence here and a couple of pence there. That's it. Every YouTube channel and every YouTube video has a different CPM, which means cost per 1,000 views. Google it because I am sure that's what it means, but Google it anyway. But this also then comes under like doing your research. Definitely do your research into the business side of YouTube because there's just so much more that you need to know. Your CPM could range from like £3 or £1 all the way up to like 15 or even higher than that. Like it all just depends on the YouTube algorithm and basically what YouTube rate your video as, I think. I'm not the best person to ask on all that because obviously I've only just been monetized. I've only just been learning the business side of things. So definitely do your research into it if you're close to those marks. And there's so many good videos on YouTube about the business side of YouTube and everything like that. One person that I can recommend you go and watch who's helped me a lot with the business side of things is Catherine Manning. I'll pop a video of hers or her channel here on the screen or in the eye above. Her videos have helped me no end and she's such a good YouTuber. She just basically talks about all of the business side of things. But yeah, she's definitely helped me a lot, so definitely go and check her out. So when I first started my YouTube channel, the thing that helped me gain the subscribers that I needed to gain were tags. definitely make use of those tags that are in your videos. They are just so helpful. They get you on the search bar on YouTube. So if someone searches and you've tagged whatever they've searched in your video, then hopefully they should pop up. Doing a description, doing a really catchy title, and a good thumbnail. They are the 4 main things that really you need to do on your YouTube video. I found they've helped me so much. Definitely using the tags box, making sure that you use every single tag, but make sure you use relevant tags for your videos. So to round it all up, just make sure that you are yourself when you're starting your YouTube channel. Make sure you're doing it for the right reasons and just have fun. Literally have fun. I absolutely love doing this as my hobby, and I couldn't think of anything better to do my time that I have spare. And obviously with us all now being in quarantine, it's nice that I can actually just focus on my YouTube so much more. And I'm actually thankful that I've got YouTube to like keep my mind busy and keep my mind off other things while we're going through this tough time. But yeah, if you have any more questions that you'd like to know, or any advice from me, if I can give it to you, then I will. I'll try my best. But yeah, if you have any more questions, then don't be afraid to leave them in the comments section down below, or even message me on my social medias. I've got Instagram, I've got TikTok, so make sure you message me over there if you have any more questions. Yeah, other than that, that is the end of this video. I hope that it helped in some kind of way. Now, before I do close this video up, I said that I was gonna talk about my giveaway. So a few days ago, I put over on my Instagram story a little poll on 2 eyeshadow palettes that were from Beauty Bay, and I asked what palette you'd be drawn to the most, and this was what the poll was. Most of you chose the Fiery palette, so that is the palette that I bought. This is the palette that you can win in today's giveaway. So it's such a beautiful palette. I'll put a picture on the screen here if you didn't see over on my Instagram. Don't want to get it out of the box because I want to keep it in there for whoever wins it. It's yours. I don't want to touch it and whatever else. So it's in here. This is what you can win if you enter the giveaway. So it's just going to be a really, really simple giveaway. All you've got to do is obviously make sure you're subscribed here on my YouTube channel, because this giveaway is for my subscribers. So you need to be subscribed. You need to go over to my Instagram, which is Ellie_Victoria1, and there will be a post of this palette on my feed. You need to go onto that post and comment in the comment that you have subscribed to my channel and tag 1 friend. And that is it. So this giveaway is going to end on the 10th of May. So if you haven't seen my post on my Instagram, which should already be up, then head over to it now and go and enter. Obviously, it's free to enter, it's free to subscribe, and it's free to follow me on Instagram. So do all of those 3 things, comment on the picture, and you'll be into a chance of winning this lovely palette. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!